Hey guys, it's your girl Keri, and the Merry Everything season is fast approaching. Now, I don't really feel like I'm in the Christmas spirit until I hear the song Silent Night by The Temptations when I'm out in public. I literally have to be out in public to hear it, and then I just get filled with so much emotion and joy because it reminds me so much of my childhood. My dad would always play that song during the Christmas season and on Christmas morning before we opened our gifts. So that's when I know the Christmas season is here. But in the meantime, I have been doing some prepping and planning for the holiday season, and I thought I'd share that with you today. So you all know my first step in my planning process is to shop my home. So I headed up to my Dollar Tree plate cabinet. Yes, Keri has a Dollar Tree plate cabinet. And I think I shared that with you on Instagram a few months back when I was talking about purging my cabinet to make space for everything to fit. And so I stopped there and pulled out some items, and I thought I would do a video on Dollar Tree basics and share with you the basic items that I'll be using this holiday season mixed in with some of the other items that I have in my inventory. Now, it may be more advantageous to order your bulk Dollar Tree items online, like your chargers, plates, mugs, glasses, because you can actually get cash back. Yes, 4% cash back from your online Dollar Tree purchases. And I've teamed up with TopCashBack once again to let you guys know about this amazing cashback program. TopCashBack is a cashback website where consumers get to save money when shopping online by receiving a percentage of their purchases in the form of a cash rebate when you shop at any of the 4,000 participating stores. Signing up is quick and easy. First, you want to click the link in my description box below to arrive at the TopCashBack landing page. Check Sign Up and enter your email address and password. You will see the Account Overview tab after you log in. And when you check on the Earnings tab, you will need to authenticate your email to ensure that it is valid. To order, type in the store in the description box, click the Cashback button, and it will take you to the Dollar Tree website. After you finish, close out and you will receive a message that your purchase was recorded. Once you spend $25 at the Dollar Tree or any of the other 4,000 participating stores, you will receive a $10 cashback signing bonus. So I'm going to share with you first some of the basic items that I think everyone should have, and then some of the items that I personally will be using this coming holiday from the Dollar Tree. And I'll start off with the bulk items, meaning items that you'll need more than one of, and work my way down over to the individual items. First up, you're going to need glassware, and I personally prefer the stemless wine glasses at Dollar Tree. I think they are chic and very versatile, and they have several different styles and sizes. I also love the Collins glass. You can use this for a multitude of things. It doesn't have to be alcoholic beverages, but you can use it for juices and the like. Now, these are not necessary for you to pick up, but I use these to make some of my drinks that I've discussed with you in the past. This one here I used to make my Jackie Frost because I thought she had the curves of like a lady, and that's how I dressed her up, and I'll be using her this holiday season as well. This beer glass right here is perfect to make our root beer floats, and I've made these in the past and I will be doing that again this year. Now, my newest addition to my Dollar Tree glassware collection are these beautiful champagne flutes. And these actually can double as a champagne flute or a single bud vase. I think in one of my stores they had them with the glass or drinkware, and then another store they had them located with all of the floral vases, but I'm going to be using them as stemless champagne flutes. And again, you do not have to put alcoholic beverages in these. You can use these for any type of drink. Next up are mugs. Now, I like to have the plain white mugs on hand from the Dollar Tree because they're just so versatile. Another item that you want to have in your arsenal are these beautiful carafes, and I personally, they do sell colored ones. I think they have green and a red. That will be cool for maybe like the holiday season or and such, but me personally, I think the clear glass is more versatile and it's more chic. So I opt for clear. I can use it all the time and it will go with anything. If I needed red or some other color, I can just fill it with that color drink. Now another item that I love, these are not a must-have, but these are nice to have. I like these vintage bottles here, and these are perfect in the summertime if you wanted to do like a icy or slushy station. You can fill it with the different syrups in here and pour them on your shaved ice. In the wintertime, if you wanted to do a drink bar, you can put the different alcohols in here, or if you wanted to do like a coffee bar, you can put all the different types of coffee syrups in here. The possibilities are endless. Now again, these come in multiple colors, but I always opt for the clear ones. They're the most versatile. Another item that I love to purchase in bulk from Dollar Tree are their chargers, but there are only certain chargers that I like to purchase from the Dollar Tree. This one right here is one of them. This is one of my favorites. I did an entire video on this must-have item. This is here like a Pier 1 dupe. I think they're selling these in Pier 1 for $14.95, and you can pick them up from the Dollar Tree for just $1. And I think these go extremely well with my buck. Another great charger that they have at the Dollar Tree are the Faux wooden chargers. Now these aren't the ones from the Dollar Tree. I already had mine for several years, but you can order them online if you cannot find them in your stores. And they do have two different types. I think one that's just kind of a natural grayish, and then one that has a more of a gold undertone. Now a third charger that's also awesome to pick up from the Dollar Tree are the rose gold chargers. Now this one here is kind of like a hammered metal rose gold charger, and I had this for several years as well. This one did not come from the Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree does sell these solid, they have no embossing or anything like that on it. It's just a solid rose gold charger, and I think those are really nice and elegant if you're into rose gold. And the final charger that's being sold at Dollar Tree, they just put it out this year, is the Buffalo Check. It's a red and black Buffalo Check charger. I have not been fortunate enough to find them in my local stores, but you can order them online in bulk, and I think those are absolutely gorgeous. And if you want some inspiration for Buffalo Check, check out my lumberjack themed Christmas tablescape decor that I did several years ago. Another bulk staple piece to pick up from the Dollar Tree are plates, particularly just a plain standard white dinner plate and the white dessert or salad plates. Those will take you anywhere you need to go. Now, Dollar Tree does have so many other options, and depending on your decor scheme, you can pick from many different colors. Now, Dollar Tree also sells a really nice plate that has a double beaded edge. It's beading here and beading down here. I haven't found them in my stores, but they do carry them online. If you want something that has a little more oomph to it, I'd suggest that as your white plate. Now on to the items that you don't necessarily have to buy in bulk. I like to pick up the guest towels. These are perfect to put in your bathroom during the holidays for guests to dry their hands. I like to pick up the 3 boxes. It's like a jewelry box set, and this is great for small gifts, for jewelry, gift cards, or anything like that. Typically recycle the gift boxes that I use for my immediate family, but if I'm giving a gift, I like to keep the gift boxes in various sizes from the Dollar Tree on hand. And I like to just purchase the white ones because this can go through all seasons, all year round. So if I have to wrap a gift in the summer or winter, if I just have the plain white ones, that would work. And then I would embellish the gift with the choice of wrapping paper for the season or how I would tie the bow. The shrink wrap. Here is the shrink wrap and pull bow. This is great if you want to make your own homemade gift baskets and give it that professional look. You can just shrink it around with a blow dryer to shrink everything on there and make it look like those professionally wrapped gift baskets. Speaking of professional gift wrapping, I like to buy the white tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. And this is great when you're wrapping those clothing items, or maybe a scarf or a pair of gloves. You know how in those high-end department stores, they will wrap your gift in tissue paper, and then they'll put the company sticker or company logo in gold foil or whatever color they have for their company to tape the paper shut. I like to also pick up these mailing seals to create that effect on my gifts. So that is a perfect way if you want to add that extra luxury to your gift wrapping. Pick up the gold mailing labels and the white tissue paper. And I'm on the hunt to collect a few more of these. These are the rose gold gift boxes, and these work perfectly with my color scheme. As you know, over the last couple of years, I've been switching over to a rose gold, and silver color scheme. So whenever I can get my hands on rose gold items, I do pick them up. I would just switch out this bow and make it a little bit more luxurious by creating my own bow. I also like picking up the mercury glass candle holders. Here's one in like a rose gold slash blush color, and I've used these the past couple of years on my tablescapes. And they also have these silver mercury glass candle holders. Now these work well as candle holders where you can just disperse them throughout your home, your decor, your tabletops, and get a nice warm glow. You can also use them as floral arrangements, vases for floral arrangements. I've used them both ways, and I just absolutely love these. Since I'm doing a drink station, a cocktails, coffee bar slash hot chocolate adult beverage station, we will need some coffee stirrers, drink stirrers, and you can pick those up from the Dollar Tree. And what I also like, and what I also plan on doing, is making my drink stirrers a little more festive. So I like to pick up the jingle bells from the Dollar Tree, and these would work great on top of the drink stirrers. And then I also use the jingle bells as the nose for my root beer floats drinks. So jingle bells can be used in a multitude of different ways. They have various different sizes at the Dollar Tree. This is the smallest, this is a medium, and they have a really large size. And the large size can also be used as DIY napkin rings. So I strongly recommend the jingle bells from the Dollar Tree. I picked up were these miniature painted pine cones. They kind of look like frosted snow pine cones. They're painted white. Now what I'm going to do with these pine cones is use them to fill in as filler in the bottom of my fur topiaries to give it a more rustic, natural look. And the final item that I'll be using this holiday season from the Dollar Tree are these miniature ornaments, and I love the color, the shade of red they are. They're more like a deep vintage red instead of a bright red. And I'm going to show you what I plan on using these for. And here is a Antler pillow, and what I plan on doing to make this pillow a little bit more festive for the Christmas season is taking one of those little red miniature balls and placing it right between the antlers to mimic like a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And I think that gives it a cute little Christmas vibe. When the holiday season is over, that can be removed. So now on to the giveaway. Now last year I did a pumpkins and pine cones themed tablescape, and I also had a giveaway because I did a Dollar Tree version of my tablescape and wanted to give that entire tablescape away to a viewer. But unfortunately I ordered the wooden chargers on Dollar Tree online, and they happened to be on back order because so many people were ordering them, and I never got them. Fortunately, they are back on their site again this year, and you're able to order them online. So what I'm going to do is include those plates that I had for last year's tablescape. I still have those. I'm going to include that in this giveaway, and what I'm going to also include with the giveaway is a $25 Dollar Tree gift card so that you can go online or go into the store and purchase all of your Dollar Tree basic entertaining pieces, and that way you can mix and match. In order to enter into the giveaway, you just need to be a subscriber of my channel and also sign up for your free TopCashBack account so that you can begin to receive cashback immediately from Dollar Tree and any of the other 4,000 participating stores that's with the TopCashBack program. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.